Hello and welcome back to Mahi English classes. I hope you are safe and well at home. Now today we are going to see the explanation of class 7th English chapter Sachin bids a tearful farewell. Bids a tearful farewell means that he has stopped playing. Farewell means vidai hona. Okay. So first I will read the paragraphs and then I'll keep on explaining the chapter. Do you like to watch cricket on television? Now the writer is asking, who is your favorite cricketer? Why do you like him? Who according to you is the greatest cricketer India has ever produced? Let's learn about him. Now who is him here? Sachin Tendulkar, according to the writer. Everybody has their own favorite sports player. Here he is describing about the life of Sachin and his farewell when he has taken the retirement from playing the cricket. Sachin Tendulkar was born on 24th April 1973. In Mumbai. Okay, in Mumbai he was born. He is considered as one of the greatest batsmen and most admired cricketer of all time. That means he was the favorite of all the people. Right? That means most of the Indians liked Sachin Tendulkar as a Indian cricketer. Admired means praised. Chana. Okay. Because he was all-rounder cricketer. His father named Sachin after Sachin Dev Burman, who happened to be his favorite music director. Why his father has given the name Sachin? Because his father's favorite musician was सचिन देव बर्मन. कभी कभी हम लोग भी ऐसी करते ना, जो हमारा फेवरेट होता है उसका नाम हम पेट नेम रख देते हैं. पेट नेम या जानवर नहीं, निक नेम कह सकते हो. निक नेम रख देते हैं. तो उसी तरीके से हमें जो नाम अच्छा लगता है वी यूज्ड टू कीप. इन द सेम वे हिज फादर केप्ट हिज नेम सचिन आफ्टर द नेम ऑफ सचिन देव बर्मन. Sachin got his first cricket bat at the young age of 11. He made his debut in international cricket at the age of 16. Means at the age of 16 he played the international game. He was so small. He holds a number of records. Tendulkar became the first cricketer to score 35 centuries in Test cricket in 2005. That means he was the first cricketer who scored 35 centuries. That means 100. Okay, he made 35 hundreds. In Test cricket, the first to record 15,000 runs in one day international in 2007. Means cricket में क्या होता है? टेस्ट मैचेस भी होते हैं, वनडे भी होते हैं, 2020 भी होता है, internationals भी होते हैं. So in every field, that means in the Test cricket, he was the first to score 35 centuries. In one day international, he was the recorder of first getting 15,000 runs. 2,000 runs and 6 centuries in the World Cups in 2011. और क्या है? 2000 रन एंड 6 सेंचुरीज. अच्छा, सेंचुरीज में क्या होता है? व्हेन द नंबर इज काउंट इन सेंचुरीज, तो फिर रन्स में जैसे 1 2 3 4 करके काउंट हुआ 2000, राइट? बट व्हेन देयर इज अ सेंचुरी, तो दैट 100 नंबर्स विल नॉट बी एडेड इन दिस वन. व्हाई? बिकॉज दैट इज कंसिडर्ड एज योर सेंचुरी. तो डिवाइडेड होता है सब. He became the youngest player to score 13 3,000 runs in test matches in 10. Means उसके कितने records हैं? That he was the first, he was the first, he was the first. He was named the 2010 International Cricket Council Cricketer of the Year. In 2010, he was named as International Cricket Council Cricketer of the Year. As a young child, Sachin was very naughty. He was ready to pick up fights with children and was regarded a bully. Bully means a person who troubles weaker people. Khichai karna. So he used to bully the people who were weaker to him. Not physically, but in every field. So he was a very naughty boy. It was Sachin's brother Ajit who introduced him to cricket in 1984 to do away the bullying and his mischievous nature. Now why his brother has pushed him into cricket? To divide his mind into other things in place of bullying the people, in place of doing mischiefs. Tendulkar began his cricketing career under his coach Ramakant Achrekar. Right? He was guided by him. Sachin wanted to be a bowler, but Australian fast bowler Dennis Lillee, who saw him trained at the MRF Pace Foundation, was not impressed and asked him to focus on batting. Sachin's interest was this, that he wanted to become a bowler. But when Dennis saw that he is not very good at in playing bowling, he motivated Sachin to leave the bowling and become a batsman. Achrekar started coaching Sachin both in the morning before school and in the evening after school. Now we have read about one more player. Who was that player? Before. Just now we have completed the chapter. Who was that player who went in the morning for the work and then she used to go to school and then again she goes for the practice? In the same way, hard work is needed in every field. So, Sachin also used to go for practice in the early morning before the school, and even after the school, he used to go for practices. He made Sachin practice hard. When Sachin became tired, Achrekar used to place a 1 rupee coin at the top of his stump. जो stump डंडे होते ना, उसके ऊपर he used to keep that 1 rupee. Okay, Sachin was allowed to keep it if he did not get out. In this way, he managed to collect 13 coins. Now, these are the tricks to motivate the person in different ways. Only shouting, beating is not everything, but there are various ideas through which you can motivate the person to take interest in the things. Okay, which he regards as one of the most treasured possession. उसकी वो एक बहुत बड़ी यादगार है, those 13 coins. When Sachin was 14, Indian batting legend Sunil Gavaskar, legend is famous person, Mr. Sunil Gavaskar gave him a pair of his own right pads, light pads. पैड्स कौन से होते हैं जो आप पैरों में बांधते हैं क्रिकेट खेलते समय? बैट्समैन बांधता है, विकेट कीपर बांधता है, ठीक है, so that they should not get hurt. So Mr. Gavaskar has given him his lighting pads. This gesture of Gavaskar greatly encouraged Sachin. After getting those pads, He was again motivated by the other person was Sunil Gavaskar, and now he again started creating interest in it. Who 20 years later broke Gavaskar's world record of 34 test centuries. Sachin was the only person who broke the record of Sunil Gavaskar, who made 34 centuries, and he broke it with 35 centuries. Sachin made his debut in international cricket at 16 when he played against Pakistan in Karachi. Debut means first appearance. That means he played his first match against Pakistan when he was 16 years old. Sachin was an icon of fans all over the world. Icon means great idol person. Okay? He is the most worshipped cricketer in the world. He is regarded as God in cricket because, as I have told you earlier also, that he was an all-rounder in cricket and he has earned so much runs in a very short period of time. So, he is considered as God in cricket. Sachin sponsors person who contributes money as charity. ठीक है, जैसे हम कोई सीरियल देखते हैं तो बीच में जो एड आते हैं वो क्या होते हैं? स्पॉन्सर्स होते हैं, राइट? Under 200 underprivileged children every year through a Mumbai-based NGO, right? When Sachin bade farewell to cricket on Saturday, 14th November 2013, almost all the present in stadium were in tears. Why? Because when someone is famous and someone is liking that person, everyone, तो अगर वो आपको उस फील्ड से छोड़ के जाता तो ऑटोमेटिकली you cry. So when Sachin was taking farewell in 2013 on November 14th, everybody was crying because they wanted to see him playing cricket again and again. It was an unforgettable Saturday when, in an emotional farewell speech, he moved a spellbound audience. Spellbound means when he came for the speech, the whole crowd was totally quiet and was crying. ठीक है? Both in the stadium and around the world to tears. Not only the people who were there on the stadium were crying, but the people who were watching on the television all over the world, everybody was crying. The last match was against West Indies. India won this match by an innings of 126 runs, and with it the series 2-0. Pragyan Ojha, the man of the match, dedicated the award to Sachin. Okay, award to Sachin. He was lustily cheered. Lustily means loudly. When at times what happens, कुछ लोग होते हैं जब बहुत खुश होते हैं तो जोर जोर से हंस देते हैं, है ना? In the same way, he was also cheered up. The greatest applause was heard when Ravi Shastri handed over the mic to Sachin, saying, "It's all yours." और सबने खूब तालियां कब बजाई? जब Ravi Shastri has given the mic and then he said, "It's all yours." Means now the mic is yours. You have a right to say whatever you want to say. Sachin spoke extreme poor and from his heart. He did not forget anyone. He began his speech in a choked voice. जब हम दुखी होते हैं तो हमारी आवाज जो होती है वो लड़खड़ाती है, अटकती है. तो in the same way when Sachin started speaking in the audience, his voice choked, requesting the crowd to settle down and let him speak. He began, "My life between 22 yards for 24 years." Means 22 yards का मतलब क्या है? ग्राउंड. ठीक है, जो बीच में पिच होता है. For 24 years. That means he played the cricket for 24 years. It is hard to believe that this wonderful journey has come to an end. He first thanked his father who told him chase your dreams, but did not take shortcuts. Okay? Means first of all he remembered his father who motivated him towards the cricket and his brother Ajit. Okay? Then he recalls his father's words that chase your dreams but do not take shortcuts. Means हम अपने ड्रीम्स को तो फुलफिल करें बट गलत तरीके से नहीं, शॉर्टकट मार के नहीं. Through proper proceedings, we should complete our dreams. He told me to be a nice human being. About his coach Ramakant Achrekar, he said, in the last 29 years, sir never said well played to me because he thought I would get complacent. Complacent means satisfied. तो कभी कभी हम लोग भी करते हैं ना कि आपने अच्छा तो बनाया लेकिन हम कहते नहीं अभी और अच्छा बनाइए. तो this is not that कि you have not done good. You have done good, but we want you to do more than that. In the same way, his coach also didn't say that well played. And stop working hard. Maybe he can push his luck now and say. Push his luck means take risk. His coach has taken risk and Sachin himself has taken the risk. Well done on my career because there are no more matches, sir, in my life. Okay. Now Sachin Tendulkar also admired his coach. He ended his 20-minute speech by thanking all the people who had flown in from various parts of the world and supported him endlessly. Means he has not forgotten anyone. He has given the speech in which he was thankful to each and everyone. Time has flown rather quickly, but the memories you have left with me will always be with me. He is saying that though I have stopped playing cricket, but the memories of my life are there and it will be forever and ever. Especially Sachin which he will reverberate in my ears till I stop breathing. Reverberate means echo. Okay? Echo means also keep on remembering. जैसे हम इको का मतलब क्या होता है, जब हम कोई चीज तेज बोलते हैं तो वही आवाज हमको सुनाई देती है. In the same way, he is saying this that the memories will echo in my ears, in my heart. After the speech, Sachin took a lap of honor with the tricolour in his hand. Lap of honor means after the speech, he held the national flag. He was hoisted on the shoulders of Captain MS Dhoni and Vice Captain Virat Kohli. तो उन्होंने लास्ट में क्या किया, विराट कोहली एंड धोनी हैज पुट सचिन तेंदुलकर on his shoulders and they take the round of Sachin on their shoulders with the flag. Sachin was honored with the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian award. He is the first and the youngest sportsman to get Bharat Ratna. He was honored in recognition of his spectacular contribution to cricket. He is understanding and acceptance by the people that he is the first young sportsman to get Bharat Ratna. Only 43 persons have been confirmed with this award since it was instituted in 1954. From 1954 to that age, that stage, when Sachin got Bharat Ratna, there were around 43 people who got Bharat Ratna. Sachin has been recipient of Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, Arjun Award, which were awarded by the Indian government for Sachin's illustrious career and which finally came to an end after 24 years. Illustrious means notable, highly dignified. Okay? Sachin is considered as a highly dignified personality. Okay. Okay, and finally came to an end after 24 years. He was a man on whom the hopes of the million Indians rested. जब हम किसी को पसंद करते हैं तो उनसे हम उम्मीद भी करते हैं, right? So in the same way, Sachin Tendulkar was liked by so many people, not only in India but all over the world. He was liked by the people. I hope you have understood the chapter. Thank you.